badlala kahle first half, second half babuyile ebashaya goal bawina nga 2-1.
Lokubalekile ukuthi bebathinga the all maximum points nabatfolile namuhla la Kanyamazane Stadium. Lokwenteke babadlala neCastric bekufuna ngabe kurabeka namuhla. Yebo bethe namuhla besicabanga ukuthi mhlambe le FIFA break yobasita kodwa ke babukeke ngathi basilakisha kancane, babuke ngathi bathiniwe kancane. But lo bekubalekile namuhla is ukuthi bathathe emaphuzu amathathu. Khumbula ukuthi mabeta kulomdlalo lo beta bana 40 points wonke amaqembu ku top 4 bekana 40 points bekubaleka kakhulu ukuthi bathathela amaphuzu amathathu. Yebo akusiyo amaphuzu amathathu without mawubuka iperformance ube happy kodwa ke lokubalekile ukuthi 3 points bakhonile kumfaka esakeni.
We are now number 1 and because Stars they play 1-1 draw against Milford. What does it mean for you as a coach and the team as a whole, because now you're number 1?
No, I think it's a reflection of our season. If you look at the log, if you go and look at the results of the past 20 games, like I told the boys, I said, since I joined the team, it's my 15th game, league game, 2 losses, and we've dropped 12 points. We've picked up 33 out of a possible 45 points. So for me, that is consistency, and that's why the boys are where we are today. And we'll slowly and surely get better. But the most important part is to promote the team.
The very important thing is that you got 3 points. What does it mean for you as a player, especially you also scored today to make sure that the team they get maximum points today?
Basically for me, I always say it's not about the individual, it's about the team effort. Well played, well team effort, good collective 3 points. The instructions that we did the whole week, I think we did well. At the end of the day, collective effort.
Banamhlanje bapostile ngesupport bawinile bakunebolo 1.
Nyalo sona sibuya nabo kaMhlanga sibona namuhla thina ngabe ukuhlala mina ngwasengodini sisuka nabo kaMhlanga bese kuba singatha ku game lephelile saphinze setana namhlelikazi sithi kutoba singatha isupport yethu siyabanika and sinale believe ukuthi thine siyasuka nyalo siyakubetway masicetha le league le siyacetha ngabo laba sisuka lana siyakubetway.
Coach since afikile sibonele badlali confidence high ucoach le macembu manyenti kwe PSL uBlack Clippers sabona nebosicela babuya bashaya amagoli badlala kahle kakhulu kubalandzeli njobani besolweni baneta imoral boost usho kuthini kini nibalandzeli enecembu ukuthi besolweni fisa ukuthi lihlale vele lingarelegate kusho konke nje lendlela engakhona nana kusizeni sitolibona futhi.
Ngibonga kakhulu lo mfana Buthelezi bamnike isikhathi sokuthi atikhombise ukuthi ungubani. And lenye into sine leading goal scorer kithi Serero ngubuvile ebhlungu itolo sibe na 6 goals akashaya na 1 ngibhlungu kakhulu lapho mara moving forward I'm sure ukuthi le weekend 2 or 1 tolishaya.
Sikanyamazane Stadium la qembu le la ekhaya iKruger United bedlala le Romo Lions umdlalo uphelile ke nga2-1 first half eshaya iqala iqembu la ekhaya bese babuye bayikholaza kuye ku half time ku1-1 babuyile ke second half bawina lapha nje nga2-1 ngisho kona ukuthi namuhla iqembu lento kahle kakhulu bahleke inombolo 1 namuhla eKruger United after iqembu le Stars badlala idraw neMilford kusho kona sebahlela phansi kunombolo 1 nyalo iqembu leKruger United kuyathembisa simathuba amanyenzi kahle silibone leqembu next season ebaJunited Galaxy nemaqembu amabili eku PSL ke asembe ukuthi bathe kuqhubeka neme time libanayo nanyalo after bande kahle ukhumbuse babuyati kweluze for not bende kahle lamuhle ekhaya babona nga2-1 sebesikhumisana ke nebaqeqeshi nebadlali sibeve ukuthi nje babone lo mdlalo namuhla after iqembu libena nga2-1. Sibonile ke imidlalo bophelile la ekhaya iqembu la Kanyamazane Stadium ela ekhaya leKruger United sebahlele inombolo 1 namuhla after bawinile umdlalo lo munye bakhona emkhathini kule memaqembu abagijimisako bese kuba idraw ya 1-1 kusho konke iqembu leKruger United babiyelile kunombolo 1. Sinemhlati ke siyabona ke ukuthi iqembu liwina nga2-1 azange badlala kahle first half second half badlale kahle bawina nga2-1 bashaya iRomo United ngokubona kwakho iconsistency ikhona yini iqenjini especially babuya ku not badlala kahle first half second half babuyile bashaya goal bawina nga2-1.
Lokubalekile ukuthi bebathinga the all maximum points nabatfolile namuhla la Kanyamazane Stadium. Lokwenteke babadlala neCastric bekufuna ngabe kurabeka namuhla. Yebo bethe namuhla besicabanga ukuthi mhlambe le FIFA break yobasita kodwa ke babukeke ngathi basilakisha kancane babuke ngathi bathiniwe kancane. But lo bekubalekile namuhla ukuthi bathathe emaphuzu amathathu. Khumbula ukuthi mabeta kulo mdlalo lo beta bana 40 points wonke amaqembu ku top 4 bekana 40 points bekubaleke kakhulu ukuthi bathathela amaphuzu amathathu yebo akusiyo amaphuzu amathathu without mawubuka iperformance ube happy kodwa lokubalekile ukuthi 3 points bakhonile kumfaka esakeni.
And then umsabuka i-challenge kule maqembu lakhona iCrystal Stars neMilford neCape Town City ingakanani ukuthi bangaphusha iqembu la ekhaya leKruger United after bawinile namuhla bona badlala i-draw.
Lokubalekile lebafuna bakwenda iqembu leKruger United ukuthi kulama games lasasele make it a point ukuthi lakhaya bathola ama maximum point ukuthi bawathole njani. They may not play a good football but ifuna bathole 3 points bese ke lokungenani mangabe baphumile baye ngaphandle njengaloku the next following game bayobe badlala away bangamane mangabe bahluleka things are not going well bamane bathathe eliphuzule li1 but the most important thing ukuthi kufuneka bakholeke ema points la lakhaya. If I'm not mistaken so I think baselele ng 5 or 6 games lekufuna bayidlala kaNyamazane Stadium la kufuna bathathe khona the maximum points.
Yeah, sivile ke General TTZ emhlatike ebholet nyawo uyasho ukuthi nje lokubalekile ne 3 points besikhulumisana na Mike naye lomunye ke leyo phinza futhi sinayo la ebholet nyawo uyatholakala futhi lapha lapho kuyo Voice of Hope eGanzi Mike uyatholakala phanje ku Rice FM. Sibonikele iqembu liqala kahle first half kepha nje babuyile ku second half bakhombisa ukuthi sebabuye egamini kepha nje akhombisa le kuyi team le challenge ileague indlela dlala ngakhona even lamagoli bawashayile akusiki ukuthi velele la bebayihlupha iLorome Lions ngokubona kwakho embili angakanani mathuba ukuthi ngahle silibona lingena straight kumbe mhlambe ngendeka bangene kuma playoff endlela dlala ngakhona because angiboni ukuthi ba convince ukuthi bangawina straight ku PSL indlela badlala ngakhona especially badlala ekhaya namuhla.
Lokubalekile ke ukuthi ke no gijimise championship ukuthi maximum points ngiko lokubalekile angeke sikubalekele bebangadlali kahle but lokubalekile namuhla ngicabanga ukuthi 3 points uma lo batokwenda ukuthi banga drop ama points ngiko lobakufunako because nawubuka mhlambe ne game besibuke ukuthi ngilenye ledlalako lapha phakathi kweCrystal neMilford uma iphela ngedraw kubanika advantage so uma ngabo baku advantage they must make sure because they collect maximum points ukuthi badlala njani ngicabanga ukuthi ngilokunye bangasakubuki but lesingeke sihlale sikusho mhlambe iLorome Lions they were not so clinical uma ngobe bathola lenye team le clinical ngoba sikhuluma lenye indzaba but ke I'm disappointed ngendlela mhlambe badlale ngayo especially now ubuka amabhola abadlala emuva bafaka ipressure ku defense badlala ekhaya ngibo labafuna bathathe igame bayise kuma opponents hayi ukuthi ma opponents athathe igame let's kubo. Maybe that's the negative part of it.
Then masibuka futhi igoal difference ye-counter ke-embili especially igame yokugcina away Kaizer Stars abashanga for not namuhla baconsider again ekhaya kanti naloko kutoba kubakhosta ke-embili plus nemagoli abashaya kangaka kanti kuze ukuthi bakhona ku-challenge kufuneka bangaconcede bashaya nemagoli uthini ngaloko kwe-goal difference indlela baconsider khona nemagoli amancane bawashayako.
Lokubalekile it's about points because now una more points than the others loko magoli akusabaleke kangaka unless when we are planning to say you will be dropping points ube equal to other teams that is where goals are counting but ke now focus in terms of saying how do we get maximum points that's what you focus on loko goal difference kutokwenda at the end of the day ugcine ke ungabi ne focus in terms of saying let me not concede ngishayela amaningi but get maximum points then the issue of goal difference ayisakhuluma.
And then ubonile iqembu dlala kakhulu isizini yonke ngokubona kwakho liya kuma playoff kumbe ligena straight ku PSL indlela dlala ngakhona
kwamanje bahleli lapha eTulu uma bahleli eTulu why do you relegate them to ama playoffs ku momentum labakuyo let them keep on collecting maximum points then they are through to Betway Premiership.
Yeah sabonga kakhulu asembeke ukuthi into enjalo iqembu libe consistency ngibuka kakhulu isikhathi
siyabonga.
Mhlatike nguMike Shabane libambita nje nga GPS uyatholakala lapha nje eKuresa FM nguyele noma uyatholakala lapha nje ku Voice of Hope lapha ku Dodo Imidlalo kepha asembeke ukuthi liqembu lito improve especially namuhla bente kahle kakhulu after badlala kahle ku first half babuyile ke second half bakhombisa nje ukuthi liqembu leli likhombisa ukuthi nje bafuna kwenda show kusekhaya bathola amaphuzu phela sebesikhulumisana nabaqeqeshi bobabili ngalena iqinje leLorome Lions siphinde sikhulumise nemqeqeshi ibelicembu la ngale nje leKruger United sive ukuthi nje babone umdlalo asesibalance sibeve ukuthi bakhuluma bathini noma sibeve ukuthi babone njani umdlalo after liqembu liwinile namuhla nga2-1 bahleli ngombolo 1 ke liqembu leKruger United. Thanks so much coach, your analysis for the whole game.
Yeah, not a good performance but good grind from the boys. We're just building a culture of not dropping points at home, making sure that at home we get maximum points, and I think the boys did not perform well. Opposition gave us a good run as well, a good performance from the opponent, but a good result from the boys.
And then after today's game, we are now number one. And because Crystals, they play 1-1 draw against Milford, what does it mean for you as a coach and the team as a whole? Because now you are number one.
No, I think it's a reflection of our season. If you look at the log, if you go and look at the results of the past 20 games, I told the boys, I said, since I joined the team, it's my 15th game, league game, 2 losses, and we've dropped 12 points. We've picked up 33 out of a possible 45 points. So for me, that is consistency, and that's why the boys are where we are today. And we'll slowly and surely get better. But the most important part is to promote the team.
Coach, you almost finished the league now because there are maybe 6 games at home and then maybe 4 or 5 games away. So the last home games are very vital, especially that you see that you have an opportunity to go straight to PSL because today the opponent or your fellow teams that are challenging the league, they drop points. So what can you expect from you, especially when you play at home, because you need to make sure that you get the maximum points going forward until the end of the season?
Look, no, without a doubt, the boys have got a solid performance at home. They know the culture. We always say no one comes out of here easy. They've got if there's anyone who's going to come out of here with 3 points, they've got to fight, and they've got to be a better team in every area. They've got to outwork us, they've got to outsmart us tactically, and they still have to be a better team on the day, on the field. And I don't see that happening this season.
Coach, once again, thanks for your time. Congratulations today. Good luck for the remaining games.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Mciceshe walekhaya liqembu lakhe leKruger United babinile ke namhla ngathuba ngikhuluma nawe nje sebahlele phana no1 ngu-Abraham ke umciceshe iqembu leKruger United uyasho ukuthi abendi liphutha mabadlala ekhaya onke lama games babadlala ekhaya benda shocks bawasebenzisa njengoba bona namuhla bahlele phana nombolo 1 after bawinile futhi ngathuba kanti hlehla leyo Crystals neMilford badlala idraw 1-1 kusho konke ke sebahlele phanje nombolo 1 namuhla after sebabona bavula igap ya 2 points asembe ke ukuthi le win namuhla ba motivate ukuthi nje bangadrop emaphuzu bese benda show ukuthi bangena ku-PSL sebesikhumsana nomceceshi ke belicembu le Romo Lions simuve ukuthi nje umdlalo ubone njani as a coach esilakanye eMazane Stadium. Yeah, nje balibonile ke licembu ukuthi liwinile ke la ekhaya eKruger United ngathubani nasedathi ke ngulo shaya igoli lokuqala eligoli lelihle lapha out of 18 le window show ukuthi licembu elikhona li relax abangena egamini. Thanks for your time today. You scored the first goal. Eventually you want to win, especially you are the one who make sure that the team got a goal before the opponent, but at the end the very important thing is that you got 3 points. What does it mean for you as a player, especially you also scored today to make sure that the team they get maximum points today?
Basically for me, I always say it's not about the individual, it's about the team effort. Well played, well team effort, good collective 3 points. The instructions that we did the whole week, I think we did well. At the end of the day, collective effort.
And then going forward, now we are the number 1 on the log. Crystals, they drop points against Milford. We are number 1 with 2 points. So what can you expect from you as a player and also the team as a whole, especially now the pressure is on you to maintain your position on top of the log?
So for me, basically, we stay grounded. We keep our head down. We work hard. We do what we normally do in training. We work hard. We and match day we try our best to collect the 3 points. For me, going forward, I think that's the most important thing as Kruger United. You know, taking it game by game, working hard. Obviously, looking forward to the next game, which is Sunday. I think it's Highbury.
Yeah.
Going there, collective. We have a point already. If we get set piece, we can steal 3. But basically, just my advice to the guys, just basically stay grounded, put your head down, and let's just keep working hard.
Once again, thanks for your time, and then also we wish you well in the remaining games that you do well, so that we can have 2 teams in the PSL next season.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much. Ngisedat ke lo shal goal oqala iqenjini leCrew United egcineni bawina nje nga2-1 uyasho ukuthi nje uyabona ukuthi iqembu lakhe limathuba kusibengenda kahle kule season le asembe ke sibothi iqhubeka nje basibonile namuhla badlala kahle kakhulu bahleli kunebo labanyalo nga2-1 sebesikhulumisana niqeqeshi ke ngale qenjini lelo Rumo Lions simuve ukuthi nje ubone njani umdlalo asesambe ukuthi nje utokhuluma naye la kubonile eqenjini lakhe emva simple badliwa nga2-1 sabona ke iqembu leCrew United baphumelele nje nga2-1 badlala iqembu leRumo Lions nemqeqeshi ke la sebesimuva ukuthi nje umdlalo ubone njani coach. Thanks for your time today. In the first half you played well, in charge of the game, but second half the home team came back strong, eventually they won 2-1. But your analysis for the whole match?
Look, I don't think this is a game where we should have come out with nothing. I think we deserved at least a point. Like you just said, we dominated the game. We had a solid plan. We disrupted everything because we know that they were like to dominate the center. We made sure we win that battle. And once we won that battle, it was easier for us. That's how we even be able to come back. Whereas unfortunate goalkeeping mistake, young goalkeepers, they are still learning to concede a goal like that. And it makes it difficult because now you have to chase the game first 5 minutes. So, but we came back and we equalized. So when we came back in the second half, we said, guys, let's just contain them. Let's just contain. Again, another silly mistake, goalkeeping mistake again. So I don't know. It's school fees that we need to play. We'll just have to soldier on.
And then coach, also playing away, you were comfortable on the ball, you created more chances compared to the home team. Also your upcoming game, you are playing here again. So what you've learned today that you are going to use on the next game here at home after you play on this ground again?
Look, I think it's good that we're playing on the same ground because we got acclimatized to the weather, the condition, the altitude. Because remember, we are from the high veld, so we're in the low veld. It's different here. Yeah. But look, we are a very confident team. That's why we could even be settled and not play like we are the away team. So we're looking forward to a very good game on Saturday. I mean, the Bees had a good win yesterday. Congratulations to them. But we're going to give them a tough match. We've told ourselves that we're not going to come in and lose 2 games. We're definitely going to go all out on Saturday.
Coach, you are playing against the Bees. They won 6-1 in their previous game. It means you must be on the guard, especially the defense.
Yes, look, I know Coach Joel. I played against him while he was still at the other team in the first round. So he's a coach that takes risks. He takes risks, he goes forward. So we need to plan against that, contain them, but we need to make sure that we restrict them. But most importantly, I think looking at today's game and even Saturday's game, what is going to be very key for us is that we need to take our chances. If you are not going to take your chances, you can't win games.
Coach, once again, unlike today, good luck for the upcoming game on Saturday against Nasty Bees.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks coach.
Thank you.
Mqeqeshi weqembu lelo Rumo Lions bathe badlala khona la futhi game yabo lenzelako neqembu leNasty Bees. iNasty Bees biya ke kuyobona nga6-1 away ekusho ukuthi lelo game yabamnanza kakhulu nje babonile namhla bebadlala kusho konke abahambi ebadeze bebala until Saturday because abantu bedlala neqembu leNasty Bees khona la kaNyamazane Stadium ke asembeke ukuthi bafunzile lo mdlalo namuhla batobuka futhi into ufuna batlungise ke impilo ushide kwe coach ukuthi bato acclimatize lesimo salale weather because babuye half fade afanani le weather ngala asembeke ukuthi bathi khona banesikhathi enough ba prepare badlala ku the same venue futhi again against iqembu leNasty Bees libiya kobina nga6-1 nabo namuhla badlibela ekhaya nga2-1 badliwa iqembu leCrew United as the coach bese kaNyamazane Stadium sibuka umdlalo weMississippi Foundation Championship Crew United 2-1 iqembu leRumo Lions sekuhleli nombolo 1 kenyalo iqembu leCrew United after iCurry Stars idlala idraw ya 1-1 neMilford FC kuye Mississippi Foundation Championship. Sibonile ke iqembu la ekhaya leCrew United banqobile ke namuhla nga2-1 bashaya iqembu leRumo Lions kusho konke bahleli nombolo 1 ukhumbule sile babuya kwe loser for not asembeke kusi le win namuhla babooster ke embili especially ba challenge league kansihlahla leyo ke itibanga intabo iCurry Stars neMilford badlala idraw ya 1-1 sibalenzeli ke beliqembu la ekhaya leCrew United babonile nje bashaya igophu bakhona nje la emuva nalaba labanye la emva kwamba sathi sibabalekelani siyabona iqembu namuhla dlale kahle kakhulu first half man bengaseyinhle but babuyile second half bebaqhugutela banika amandla banika imoral kusho ukuthini kube namuhla ukuthi egcineni iqembu libuyile ladlala kahle ngikhuluma nawe nje bahleli nombolo 1
papa mangakhanyisa kahle bo Descendants ngijabule ngendlela ukuthi bengathi phosa ngife mara ngathi we team idlale ngakhona abafana bagijima ukucala saqala nga1-0 besijabulile besicula lenye ingoma sema fans sisukumile sijabule kabi wasibhora lo mfana sekakora liligoli ithi 1-1 mara athi sibuya ku second half sesithi 2-1 jabule ngalenye indlela lesimanga angadi nothi ngathini magama omugcina siyabonga kithi sonke iKruger United ukuthi singahlala senda njalo ileague iphelele kithi ekugcineni ifirst ogcina
Ndilokubona kwa futhi ukuthi namuhla kusemkhathini kweliviki yabo but support beyinyeni kusho ukuthini lokho ukuthi welicembe especially support enika yona ninga give up babuya tikuluza for namhlanje babostile ngesupport bawinile bakunembolo 1
nyalo sona sibuya nabo kamhlanga usibona namuhla thina ngabe ukuhlala mina ngwasengodini sisuka nabo kamhlanga bese kuba singatha ku game lephelile saphinze setana namhlelikazi sithi kutoba singatha isupport yethu siyabanika and sinale believe ukuthi thine siyasuka nyalo siyakubetway masicetha le league le siyacetha ngabo laba suka lana siyakubetway
Sibuka kakhulu sembeke ukuthi ndochubeka njalo manike i-moral boost nibasupport enchayide igubhu nje namuhla
lokho angesiphinze size sikuyekele lokho sokwenda size sofika ku Betway lelo akusilithemba akusiliphupho yindo leyo yenteka
samuva ke emlandzeli welicembu la ekhaya leKruger United bajabulile ke kusi bakhonile namuhla kunita licembu imandla kuthi banga give up babona ukuthi support ikhona ekhaya naba ke balandzeli labanye sebesibeva ke kuthi babathini ngelicembu njengoba sibona nabo bebakhona bashaya igubhu baneta immoral ngasibabaleka angathi so uthini ke namuhla nayo lomunye elolinto licembu immoral boost kusi badlale kahle namuhla bang number 1 namuhla
Pardon ngakuva papa
icembu number 1 namuhla nawe ubonete support ushaya igubhu lapha baneta immoral kusi uyabaleka ke nangilomunye emlandzeli asesimuve kusi uthini ngelicembu namuhla bahleli number 1 after bende kahle namhla bawina nga 2-1
sijabule kakhulu thina sibalandzeli bale Village Boys ukuthi namhla bahleli ku number 1 lokho into leyo lesogcina ngaye egcineni siyakhuphuka siya ku number 1 siya ku Premier League le season letako
and then sabona licembu ukuthi linda kahle kakhulu yini lo ngayifisa ukuthi bangayilungisa especially i-first half bangakho mnandi after bakhonzile igoli but babuyile ku second half lokho ukuthi baphazamisa bangathola ama team la tough bangaba punish nje babonile babapunishile before ngafuna ukuthi mhlambe kuphi ngafuna ukuthi bakulungise because bathe benda show nabo ukuthi bafunza ke impilo
into lengangichazayo ngokuthi sithena sicetha kushaya igoli coach ngathi wabatshela ukuthi kumele babe defensive and nasiba defensive sicetha ukora nga 10 minutes akusho ukuthi sesiwinile labantu sebetakithi bekumele ngabe sishaye maybe more 2 goals sakhona ku relax igame yabaphasi so but ikona lapha kuyathembisa
uyalibona licembu lingena straight ku PSL kumbe mhlambe ulibona liya kuma playoff kumbe indlela dlala ngakhona uyalibona vele lingena straight lo United Galaxy next season
siya straight ku PSL asikuma playoffs
sibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho
sibongile kakhulu nathi sibalandzeli be Village Boys
ke balandzeli be Village Boys bawinile ke namhla nga2-1 bashawona ukuthi nje bayibona licembu lingena straight PSL asembe ukuthi immoral boost into bakhona nesupport nje basibonile namuhla bebakhona ebasupport licembu asembe ke ukuthi badlali batotmisela nje babonile namuhla ukuthi isupport ikhona badlali babalekile ke ukuthi bakhona ekusebenzisa le support lebayitholako mhlambe bangene kahle nje basibonile ku first half azange badlala kahle manje egcineni baphumelele babona nga2-1 asembe ke ukuthi nje ke imbili ama games hlasele bathe wasebenzisa bangende maphutha labawinile namuhla the coach ebesela kanyamazana stadium icembu la ekhaya iKruger United bawina nga2-1 kuMsipe Foundation Championship nibalandzeli ke lebabili belicembu la ekhaya le Nasty Beast basiyela uma inyosi sibonile ke badlala ke itolo bawina nga6-1 ekhambeni for the first time ukuthi bedlale bawina nga6-1 ekhambeni kanzi ke umdlalo lobalekile bathe bedlala la ekhaya la eKanyamazana stadium licembu le Romo Lions icesa kudliwa ke namuhla badliwa nga2-1 badliwa icembu iKruger United sive ke ukuthi bathini ngemva lesicembu lento kahle kakhulu asibonge esikhatseni sabona icembu ukuthi linda kahle kakhulu since coach afikile sabona amehluko omningi kakhulu for the first time emlandweni wabo bebaqala kushaya amagoli nga6 kusho ukuthini kini lokho enibalandzele zange na give up bese nihamba nelicembu ke lenzawo noma lingeni kahle egcineni selibona selibuyile icembu lento kahle kakhulu
uqala ngicela kubonga licembu lidlala ngakhona kulamalanga phinze futhi ngibonge na coach ukuthi asikhiphe kule nkinga lebesibukela nayo since vele sicela kudlala le league le singakaze sawine i-away game so lokho kusijabulisile sibalandzeli be the bees sembe ukuthi next game sitayewina sichubeke sephambili sibona number 6 number 4
sabona ke licembu liwina nga6 itolo nje asho mlengani wakho sibenicala kubona nga6-1 nesikole singaka but kufika kwacoach benemhluko lomuhle kakhulu musabuka ke embili especially batebe badlala neLurumo Lions le weekend le licisa kudliwa namuhla badliwa iqembu iKruger United yini esiqelinzela njengawo njengemlandzeli ngicabanga ubonile ukuthi iqembu lidlale kahle away lokumnanzi badlala ekhaya igame lelenzelayo
angangisho lokuningi kufika kwacoach kusitshintshe kakhulu like i-mindset yebadlali I can say from management itshintshe kakhulu angithemba ukuthi le Saturday lesiyakuyo hayi siya all out sinkomas siyayithatha le 3 point
and then lokhona coach since afikile sibonene abadlali confidence high ucoach lemacembu manyenti kwe PSL uBlack Clippers sabona nabosicela babuya basha amagoli badlala kahle kakhulu kubalandzeli njobani besolweni baneta imoral boost usho kuthini kini nibalandzeli enecembu ukuthi besolo nifisa ukuthi lihlale vele lingarelegate kusho konke nje lendlela engakhona nana kusizeni sitolibona futhi
ngibonga kakhulu lo mfana Buthelezi bamnike isikhathi sokuthi atikhombise ukuthi ungubani and lenye into sine leading goal scorer kithi Serero ngubuvile ebhlungu itolo sibe na 6 goals akashayi na 1 ngibhlungu kakhulu lapho mara moving forward I'm sure ukuthi le weekend 2 or 1 tolishaya
yeah semuva ke kusi uyasho ukuthi iqembu liwina nga6 Serero akashanga goal kepha still number 1 una 8 goals kuyo iMusipe Foundation Championship ngike interview ngikhuluma naye before basi ufuna ukuthi abe top goal scorer ngikhuluma nawe u-top goal scorer kepha nje kuye embili ndlala ekhaya again after niwina nga6-1 kusho ukuthi lokho kuwe plus singalinzela ini icenjini ndlala ekhaya Saturday
lesikulinzile khona silinze iwin kuphela because vele lamalanga vele sashisa lamalanga since vele sibe na coach lenyuwana hayi siyavutha ngiyabathemba bafana ndlela badlala khona nyala ibhola yakho intshintshe kakhulu akusafana kucala ibhola yedlala phansi badlala kahle baphasana kahle bakhona kusi bakore amagoli team iqhubeka phambili
before ngintedela nje ngasho ngasonzela nje nababili nisho nje nibuke lapha nibite balandzeli nibacele nibameme ukuthi abete Saturday bata support iqembu
yeah siyinkomazi siyacela njengoba nyalo senda kahle siyacela niphume all out into supporta sithi impumalanga vele eziholi ngoba nayo iKruger siyisupport lokwendile namuhla njengoba sibona namhla sila siya all out simpumalanga sifisa kubona one of the team lesinayo kule league le eka PSL next season between Kruger and Casris le 1 sifuna ukuyibona ya ku PSL
emlayito
siyaluma
emlayito lonawo ke kubalandzeli especially kweqembu silibonela into kahle ukuthi vele batowina futhi na Saturday emlayito mhlawumbe lonawo ukuthi bagcugutele bato support iqembu
ngiyabasabacela ukuthi baphume ngetingane inkomazi yonke ngasho impumalanga ngaphicile yonke abaphume ngetingane bato supporta because kungumanje iqembu letele kuhle seside disappointment nyalo iclub yethu idlala kamnanzi angeke vele sohla sijabulile ngiyabathembisa ukuthi abafike ngetingane la kaNyamazane Stadium bayathi na ukuthi ama transport anjani because vele thina noma sidlala la kaNyamazane away but le support lesibanayo yangijabulisa kakhulu because vele siyaphuma ngetingane ngoba ubona na nje ubona la iKruger be host but uyabona ukuthi but uma utobo ula ngomgcibelo utobona bafana utubona isupport begcwele kakhulu ngiyabathemba inkomazi ngiyathemba ngicela ukuthi nonke mankomazi umalanga bengetingane sithe sobona abafana la inyosi uma iluma la ngiyabonga
ophinze ushaya ukuthi inyosi enanjani
inyosi iyaluma
iyaluma nalenye into siyacela sive samkhanjwa sive samgubho sive samahlalela sive samachekeza sicela nibuye ngetingane into support liqembu leni elide bees la senkomazi singa criticize buhlali bethu sinkomazi municipality sithi asupporting le team
yeah sivile ke balandzeli belicembu le Nas the Peace basiyaluma inyosi ukuthi bafuna isupport ukuthi iqembu linde kahle Saturday asembe ke ukuthi support ebakhona sibonike iqembu linde kahle kakhulu bawinanga 6-1 usho konke nje lokubadlala ekhaya nginde yabasha amagoli amaningi because 6 bawushaye away asembe ke ukuthi le moral boost nele support lekhona into yababoost abadlali ukuthi bende kahle kakhulu umdlalo olwenzelako futhi badlala khona la ekhaya neqembu lelo Mo Lions siceza dliwa namuhla ngathi1 as the coach besilaka Nyamazane Stadium sibuka nje umdlalo bakhona emkhathini weqembu leCrook United lo Mo Lions kanzi umdlalo olwenzelako inaste piece nje benginabo la yaluma inyosi bathe badlala ngeSaturday neqembu lapha nje le Mo Lions alikahambi leqembu kumele ukuthi nje Saturday badlale futhi again iqembu le Mo Lions la ku Msipe Foundation Championship eNyamazane Stadium ngicibelo asembe ke kusindoyede into support leqembu
kunjalo bafo seba sinje inyosi yobayenda so
yobayenda so inyosi
siluma
ayilume inyosi